It all starts with a massive, lifeless block of steel, embarking on a grueling journey to become a giant bolt. Each steel rod takes 15 minutes to cut, but patience is key. Just look at my tiny hand compared to this monster of a steel rod. You can't help but wonder, could Arnold Schwarzenegger lift this? Once cut, the steel pieces are transported to the forging area, where extreme heat and raw mechanical power await to tame these stubborn blocks of metal. One end of the steel rod is inserted into a giant heating furnace and heated to a blistering 1,000 degrees Celsius, 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside, the roaring flames seem to consume the steel, preparing it for its next transformation. Next comes the massive hydraulic press, a true display of raw power. Under immense pressure, the red-hot steel is forged into a hexagonal head, a process that makes the ground shake with every crushing blow. The air is thick. The temperature in the factory reaches a scorching 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And the workers, these unsung heroes, persevere amidst the noise and heat. Their coordinated precision is breathtaking. And let me warn you, do not try this at home. If you're impressed by the sheer force of this process, smash that subscribe button with the same strength they're using to forge this bolt. Once forged, the giant bolt moves to the CNC machining stage, the heart of precision engineering. Here, the bolt's holes are meticulously drilled, and the surface is polished to perfection. Do you see that white liquid flowing over the bolt? That's coolant oil, used to keep the metal cool and prevent rust. This is no ordinary process. Every detail of the bolt is perfected with unmatched precision. The result is a smooth, gleaming surface, ready for its next challenge. But don't celebrate yet. The journey is far from over. This is where steel becomes a battle-hardened warrior. The bolt is heated to 800 degrees Celsius, 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit, for 4 hours. As I wait, I can't help but think, patience truly is the key. This intense heat strengthens the bolt's core, making it ready to endure the harshest conditions. Once cooked, the bolt is cooled in a massive diesel oil bath, containing up to 15 tons of diesel fuel. Yes, you heard that right. The very fuel that powers your car cools down this engineering beast. The bolt's surface turns black as it emerges, looking as if it's been roasted to perfection. The next step is the tempering process, where the bolt is heated again to 500 degrees Celsius, 932 degrees Fahrenheit. This changes the steel's chemical structure, enhancing its toughness and durability. After another 4 hours of heating, the bolt is stronger and more resilient than ever. Finally, the bolt undergoes hot dip galvanizing, a magical process where it's dipped into a 500 degrees Celsius molten zinc bath. The zinc coating not only protects the bolt from corrosion, but also transforms its appearance into a gleaming silver masterpiece. Watching this process, you might think of the villain from Terminator, 1984, emerging from a molten pool. And here's a fun fact. This zinc bath alone is worth $100,000. If it were silver, I'd already be a millionaire. And there you have it. From a lifeless steel rod to a giant bolt, an engineering marvel forged through fire, patience, and precision. This journey isn't just about machines. It's about human perseverance and dedication. If you ever need a giant bolt, don't forget, you'll also need a giant wrench to use it. If you enjoyed this process as much as I did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I won't give you a bolt, but I'll promise to deliver more amazing videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.